Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan waffles. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget a small pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, to really bring out the flavors. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly blended. This ensures an even rise and delicious texture for your waffles. Now, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of your favorite plant-based milk, like almond or soy. Then, add 2 tablespoons of melted vegan butter or a neutral oil, such as canola, for richness. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma. Gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in tender waffles. It's time to get cooking. Preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. Once hot, lightly grease the plates with a little vegan butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Now, carefully pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of your delicious batter onto the hot iron. The exact amount depends on your waffle maker's size. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffles are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Your incredible vegan waffles are ready. Carefully remove them from the iron using a non-metal utensil to avoid scratching. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a generous drizzle of maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar are classic choices. For an extra treat, consider a dollop of vegan whipped cream or a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Enjoy these warm, fluffy, and perfectly golden homemade delights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.